Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the official YouTube channel of Office Society 24/7. So first of all, let me know how are you all, and also let me know is audio video both are okay? Are we good to go? So as you know, we have started this JAIIB series, or I can say the victory series, in which every day we are discussing certain number of questions related to your IFS. And also, you know, we started the series with the module D. Okay, we have started the series with the module D, and we have completed module D in 18 sessions, or I can say in 18 classes. So you have 17 units in module D. How many units are there? 17 units are there. So every day we have discussed one particular unit of module D, and the last day we have discussed the combined session of module D. And now today it is the 19th class, and this particular class I will be starting your module C. So you can see Indian economy, Indian financial system. Now after D we are going for the C module. So do remember the weightage. If we talk about the weightage, you will find in such a sequence, more weightage is with the D, then C, then A and B. And in the same way, we will be covering our sessions. So today it is the first class of your module C, that is Indian Financial Architecture. That's your module C, unit number 20, Indian Financial System and Overview, that we are going to cover today. So do remember, module C start with the unit number 20 and ends with the unit number 28. And the first unit that we are going to discuss today will be your Indian Financial System and Overview. So before moving forward, let's discuss what is Indian financial system. So as you know, we have discussed it a lot of times that Indian financial system, or whenever we talk about a financial system, what is financial system? It's simply a platform, or we can say it's a system where we exchange funds among the people who have surplus money and the people who have deficit of money. So when you exchange funds among these people, this system is known as financial system. And how it will be done? With the help of financial institution, with the help of financial market, and with the help of financial products, or we can say the instrument. So simply, whenever you talk about financial system, your financial system actually covers three components. So financial system is simply a system where we exchange fund among the persons who have surplus money and the persons who have deficit of money. Now the second thing is that financial system have three components. First is financial market. Second, we have financial instrument. And third, we have market participants. Market participants. So on the one side, you will have a persons who have surplus money. And there are people who have surplus money, and the surplus money people will go to the financial system and will make sure that this money will reach to the persons who have deficit of money. And to confirm and to complete this exchange of funds, we use components of financial system. That is what? Your financial market, financial instrument, and market participants. So that's what your unit number 20 actually talks about. That's the whole thing within unit number 20 we'll talk about. So this is financial system, and this is what the work of a financial system, to exchange the funds among the people who have surplus money and the people who have deficit of money. Clear? Now let's move forward. Now the first question for today's session, you have to answer the questions. In the end, I will let you know if your answer is correct or not. Good evening, Anita ma'am. So let's continue. The first is talking about which among the following is not a part of sweeping reforms. So out of these, which of the following is not a part of your sweeping reforms? First is saying delicensing of import. Second is saying tightening of foreign exchange regulation. Third is saying abolishment of license Raj. Fourth is saying pegging of exchange rate. Fifth is saying trade policy reforms introduced. So out of these 5 points, which of the following you think is actually, which of the following is actually your part of sweeping reforms? A, B, C, or D? Okay, so when it comes to the delicensing of imports that we have done, tightening of foreign exchange regulation, no, we do not have to tighten the regulation. We have to ease the regulation. So second is not true. Okay, it means B cannot be the right answer because the second will be one of them. So B is eliminated. Now, abolishment of license Raj, that is true. We have eliminated the license Raj. But pegging of exchange rate, no, we have to unpeg the exchange rate. It means fourth is also wrong. Okay, fourth is also wrong. The fifth is saying trade policy reform introduced. This is true. So second and fourth, these are the 2 points which are not a part of your sweeping reforms. So remember, all are the above are correct except second and fourth, because in second it should be ease of foreign exchange regulation. And in case of fourth, it should be unpacked exchange rate. So right answer will be your D. Second and fourth is incorrect. Clear? Next question. Next we have here that's talking about RBI introduced PJ Nayak committee in 2014 to review the government of board of banks. Governance of board of banks in India. The committee was mandated to examine which of the following. So here 2 questions you have to remember. Like 2 things you have to remember. First of all, RBI introduced the PJ Nayak committee. For what purpose? For the review of governance of board of bank. Okay, to review the governance of board of banks, we have introduced, or RBI have introduced, the PJ Nayak committee. So do remember, PJ Nayak committee is related to the review of the governance of board of banks. Okay, do remember that. Next. Let me know which of the following is correct here. Okay, so right answer is actually first is saying to review the RBI guidelines on government ownership in bank, to analyze the work, conflict of interest, independence in the bank board and make suggestion towards the same. Third, to assess fit and proper criteria for directors and their tenures, to examine board compensation guidelines. And the right answer is very good. Amina ma'am have said all, that is D, very good. So Rajesh sir, Anita ma'am, Amina ma'am, Reena ma'am, everyone is going with the D option, and these are the correct statement which have been recommended by, or the committee was actually mandated to examine all of these in the banks. So right answer will be D. And do remember, PJ Nayak committee is related to the review the governance of board of banks. Next question we have, that setting up of EASE. What is EASE? Enhanced Access Service Excellence Agenda for calibrating the performance of dash banks and fostering healthy competition and collaboration among these banks. So EASE is a very famous reform, we can say, that have been introduced in the banks, and it is very important for your paper. Definitely one of the reform will be asked. EASE 1.0, 2.0, 3.0, 4.0, 5.0. These 5 reforms have been given in your syllabus, and definitely one reform will be asked. Okay, so all the reforms you have to study in detail, like what changes have been done, what was the recommendation, what new thing have been introduced, everything have to be covered. Now the question is asking setting up of the EASE agenda for calibrating the performance of dash banks and fostering healthy competition and collaboration among these banks. Public sector, private sector, foreign bank, differentiated bank. If we talk about differentiated bank, now these are payment bank, small finance bank, we can say. And I am getting the right answer, that is public sector bank. For public sector bank, this have been introduced. Acha, how many public sector banks are there in India? How many public sector banks are there in India? Let me know. So right answer here is A. Next question. Next we have here, which of the following are the examples component of the informal financial system? So we know the financial system are of 2 types. First is formal, second is informal. The formal financial system is the one in which rules, regulations, restrictions, regulatory body will be there. and informal where there is no regulatory body, no rules and regulation, no terms and conditions are there. The formal financial system in India started in 1770 when the Bank of Hindustan was established in Calcutta. Okay, and if I talk about informal financial system, it's going on since the human civilization, we can say. Okay, so you have to answer here that which of the following are the examples component of the informal financial system. It's not 11, it is 12. Public sector banks are 12 in India because there are 11 nationalized banks plus one SBI is there. And all these banks creates the public sector bank of our country. Okay, so right now we have 11 nationalized bank and 12 public sector bank. Okay, Rajesh sir, do remember that. In the Indian banking structure, you will study the whole types of banks. Now, let me know the answer of this question. First is saying individual money lenders who could be traders, relatives, your neighbors. Second is saying group of persons who could be operating as association and fund. Third is saying partnership firm consisting of local brokers, pawnbrokers and non-bank financial intermediaries such as the finance, investment, chit fund companies. And the last one is all of the above. So what do you think? Which of the following are example of your informal financial system? Okay, I got the answer, that is D. All of the above. Very good. This all are the informal financial system part. All are what? All are the informal financial system part. So your right answer is D. Okay. Next question. Now, which among the following is our correct statement? You have to answer out of these two statements, which statement is correct. Read both the statement and let me know the answer. Okay, D, you saying none of the above. So C. First is saying banking institution, depository institution, insurance, mutual fund and brokerage companies fall under this category. They cannot ask for monetary deposit but sell financial product and services. Okay, second is saying non-banking institution. This include banks and other credit unions which collect money from the public against interest provided on the deposit made and lend that money to ones in need. And actually the statements have been, the definitions have been interchanged. Okay, these definitions have been interchanged. The option number B talks about the banking institution and the option number 1 talks about the non-banking institution. It means none of the above are the correct statement. Both are incorrect. Very good, none. Next question we have here, so right answer will be your D. Okay, next question we have here that's talking about which of the following is our correct recommendation of Narasimham Committee 1 1991. So Narasimham Committee 1 and Narasimham Committee 2 both are very important. Definitely one question will be there from the Narasimham Committee. It can be more than one, but definitely one question will be there. Do remember Narasimham Committee 1 and 2 you cover very carefully. Now the first is saying establishment of a 3-tier hierarchy for banking structure, the supervisory function over banks and financial institution, a phased reduction in SLR, phased achievement of 8% of capital adequacy ratio, abolition of branch licensing policy. So which of the following are the correct recommendation? Let me know. So which of the following is correct? Nidhi ma'am is saying C, Rajesh sir is saying A. Okay, all of the above, and A is second and third. Okay. Okay. So actually, none of the above will be the right answer. Why none of the above? Because actually supervisory function over the banks and financial institutions was introduced. Actually, a phased manner of SLR, phased reduction of SLR have been said. The phased achievement of 8% of capital adequacy ratio is clear or correct. I can say abolition of branch licensing policy is also correct. But establishment of 4-tier hierarchy have been said. And none of the option is actually defining the right answer. So right answer will be your none, because the right combination of answer have not been given. Okay, the right statement, if someone asks how many statements are correct, so it should be second, third, fourth and fifth. But no such kind of option have been given here. That's why we will write the none of the above option. Okay, because only the first one is not correct, rest are correct here. Now, next. So this is the 1991. Next question we have from the 1998. So it is talking about which of the following is our correct recommendation of the Narasimham Committee 2 that was introduced in 1998. The Narasimham Committee 1 and Narasimham Committee 2, they both have what? They both have the financial sector reforms related committee. Okay, so first is saying strengthening of banks in India, narrow banking, capital adequacy ratio, bank ownership, review of banking laws. Out of these 5, which of the following is actually a correct recommendation of your Narasimham Committee? Let me know. Okay, so right answer is, please check for bank ownership you are asking about, A sir. So right answer here will be your all of the above. All are the actual recommendation of your Narasimham Committee 1. Okay, right answer will be all of the above. Right answer is D. Very good. Now, next question we have, that is talking about financial institutions classified into 3 categories, okay, which are the part of your formal financial system. Then which of the following are those 3 categories you have to answer? First is saying regulatory institutes like regulate the financial market, RBI, Adda, SEBI, PFRD, etc. Intermediates will be their commercial bank which provide loan and other financial assistance to the public like SBI, Bank of Baroda, Punjab National Bank, etc. The third one is saying non-intermediaries are also there. Institution that provide financial aid to corporate customer. It includes NABARD, SIDBI, Exim Bank, NHB, etc. And the fourth option is saying all of the above. So you have to answer which of the following here is actually a category of your financial institution. A, B, C or D. Which of the following is correct? A, B, C or D? And the right answer actually will be your all. Very good. All of the above are the financial institutions. So they have been classified into 3 categories. Right answer will be your D. Okay. Next question we have, development of financial system have been done in the segmented form into which of the following phases? So there were certain phases in which we have seen the development of the financial system happen in the country. So out of these, which phase is actually a part of development of financial system? First is saying pre-independence prior to 47, post-independence 47 to 1991, post-liberalization 91 to 2010, post-global financial crisis 2010 to present. So what are the phases out of these 4 by which we have done the development of financial system? A, B, C or D? So post-liberalization means after the LPG policy was introduced. Liberalization policy was introduced in 1991, right? So that's why post-liberalization. And global financial crisis happened in 7 and 8, okay? And that's why it is known as post-global financial crisis. No, it was not CRRA, sir. It was a capital adequacy ratio. They both are different. Cash reserve ratio and capital adequacy ratio, they both are different. CRR is a part of monetary policy's direct instrument, and CAR is a part of Basel norms. Okay, so they both are the different terms. It was a correct statement, right? The question you are asking about. So CAR and CRR both are different. Okay, and you guys are saying A, second, third and fourth. What's wrong with the first? All are correct. C option will be correct. The right answer is all. The first is also correct. Now, the pre-independence period was also there prior to 1947. Why you are saying A? So right answer will be your C option. Okay. Next, acha, these are the total question we have discussed on the module C. But before going, one more information I want to give you all, that this Sunday in the morning at 7 AM, why I am taking so early? Because a lot of you have said you have to go back because it's the 31st of March, right? So that's why we will have an early morning session of your module C. So module C mini marathon we will be having. Last Sunday we had module D mini marathon. This Sunday we will be having module C mini marathon, and the timing of the class will be 7 AM. Clear? So this is what we're talking about. Apart from that, one more information is there. I am starting the AIM batch today. AIM batch of your IE IFS English medium is starting today from 9 to 10 PM. So if you want a orientation class, some of you, if you are not a paid class student, if you want to check the orientation class, the demo session, do join the session at 9 to 10 PM. On offices at 24/7 only. Okay. Apart from that, you can see that the double validity plus 81% discount both are going on the Mahapack, and on the crash course you will find 81% discount. Same in the AIM batch, you will find 81% discount. How to enroll? First, download the 24/7 application. After downloading the application, you have to go to the home page of the application and click on the exam category and select the exam category, that is your JAIIB and CIB. Click here, then you will find JAIIB May 2024. You will find this is the live classes, this is your test series, this is your video courses, your ebooks and your hard copy books. If you want to enroll in any test series or any books, whether it's an ebook or a hard copy book which will be delivered to your doorsteps, you can use a code for that, Y496S. This is a code for the same. Apart from that, if you want to enroll in the live batches, let's say this is a Mahapack, and I keep telling you all that if you want to enroll in the Mahapack or if you want to enroll in any paid batches, what you have to do, just whenever you find double validity, go with the go with what? Go with the Mahapack. Whenever you find the double validity, first development, first development financial institution was introduced in 1948. That was IFCI, but it is not asking first development financial institution when it started. We are asking when financial system evolved. So in 1770, Anita ma'am, we know na, Bank of Hindustan was established. So prior to 1947, pre-independence duration is there, from where we have seen the financial system is developing in the country. That's why pre-independence will be there. Okay, Anita ma'am? I couldn't find module D mini marathon. Ma'am, you will find in the playlist section. Go to the playlist section, you will find the marathon there. So this is the AIM batch that I am starting today. You can see IE IFS subject is starting. Test series will be available. Ebooks will be available. How to enroll? The process to enroll is same. Click on the study plan as well. You will find the study plan is available of all the subjects here. All the subjects have been started. And from today 9 to 10 PM, orientation class will be there, and we are starting the batch here. Okay. Apart from that, how to enroll? Just click on the buy now option after checking all the details and enter a code here that will be Y496 and click apply. Once you apply, you will find 80% discounts and 1% additional discount will be available if you use the coins. So 81% discount, 6-month validity. If you use code Y496, you will get this batch at 3,700. Okay. And the same crash course will also be available at the same price. But if you enroll in the Mahapack will be available at 5,700, and in the Mahapack you will find additional benefits also. So let's say this is your Mahapack. In this, you will find the comprehensive batches, crash courses, upcoming revision batches, upcoming numerical batches, upcoming power pack batches. Everything will be available. So you have to pay extra 2,000 only here, and you will get all the batches which are going to be launched and which have been already completed. And this is the mini and Maha Marathon features which is only available in the Mahapack. This will be available to you. And in the end, you can click on the buy now option, enter the same code Y496, apply, and you can see that while you use the code Y496, 5,700 is the price that you have to pay. Reason, 1% additional discount will be available in the coins and 1 year validity will be available. Clear? So this is the whole information I wanted to give you all. So enroll as per your convenience, but my suggestion will be go with the Mahapack because it gives you more benefits. Okay. And in the end, if you regularly want to join these sessions on Officers Adda 24/7 YouTube channel, then do subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so that all the upcoming sessions notification will be given to you. Okay, and this is all for today. We will be continuing the next session tomorrow. Okay, in the morning you will have your PPP session at 6, and in the evening at 7 we will meet again for the IFS subject. Till then, take care everyone. Keep revising, keep studying keep doing conceptual study, then revise the content and practice the question, and repeat these 3 steps. That's all the things which are required to clear your JAIIB paper. Okay, so we'll see you in the next class. Take care everyone. Have a good time.